Hi there, welcome back to Explore Grammar with Zabed with a new topic. Are you often wondering whether to use a, an or the? Is it time for you to master the use of articles in English? Then join me in the two-part lesson for a complete review of the definite articles and indefinite articles. In today's video, you'll be learning about the uses of indefinite articles with various examples. So, without getting any longer, let's start the topic.
At first, let's see what are articles. Articles are used before noun and they also modify the noun, as they give more information about noun. They function as an adjective in the sentence. Articles also define whether a noun in a specific context or a general context. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. Well, articles are of two types. These are definite article and indefinite article. Article the comes in the list of definite article as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. On the other hand, article a and an comes in indefinite article as it doesn't show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. Now let's look into an example to understand it better. Suppose there is a group of mango in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat anyone from the group, then what will you say? You'll say, I want to eat a mango from the group of mango. Now, suppose you want to eat a specific mango from the group. Let's choose the second one. You'll say, I want to eat the mango which is at second position from the group of mango. You can notice here how we use article the for pointing out specific mango and article a for generalizing the mango. Now, let's try to understand how to decide when to use indefinite article a or an. Basically, there are 26 letters in English. Out of them, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest 21 consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. If a word begins with a vowel sound, N is used. On the other hand, if a word begins with a consonant sound, A is used. Please note that you have to check the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Now you will understand the uses of indefinite articles, both a and an, simultaneously. We'll start with an first. It is used before a word whose first letter gives a vowel sound. Remember that we focus on the sound rather than the alphabet. For example, apple. Here, the first letter of the word a gives a vowel sound a. So, we'll use here indefinite article an. The second one is intelligent boy. Here, the first letter of the word given the sound e, an example of vowel sound. For this reason, before the word intelligent, we'll use the article an. We use a before a word whose first letter gives a consonant sound. For example, dog. Here the first letter of this word gives the sound do, an example of consonant sound. So we'll use here article a before the word dog. Again, the first letter of the word cat gives a consonant sound. For this reason, we'll even use here article a. We use indefinite article an before a word in case of silent H. For example, hourly visit. Here the word hourly starting with the word H, and it is not a vowel, but when we pronounce it, we get the O sound, and it is an example of vowel sound as here H is silent. So here we need to use an hourly visit. Similarly, honest man. Here the word honest H is silent and it is pronounced as O. So we'll use article an before the word honest. On the other hand, we use a before a word with a vowel giving the sound of a consonant. For example, university student. Here the first letter of the university is U and it is a vowel, right? But we don't say university. Instead, we say university. So the first sound is the Y sound, which is a consonant sound. For this reason, we say a university. Similarly, one-eyed man. Here, the first letter of the word is an example of vowel, but it does not give a vowel sound. Rather, it gives a consonant sound wa. So, we use article a before one-eyed man. We even use indefinite article an before a word starting with consonant when it is pronounced with the sound of a vowel. For example, LLB. Here, the first letter of the word is an example of consonant, but when it is pronounced, it gives a vowel sound A. For this reason, we say NLLB. Similarly, in case of the word MP, the first letter gives a vowel sound A. That's why we use indefinite article N before the word MP. Indefinite articles are used to generalize a noun. For example, I'm going to buy a pen. Here, a pen means any pen in the world. I'm not making the meaning of the word pen specific. I'm not referring to a specific pen. I'm just gonna buy any pen. So, a is making the meaning of the word pen generic. Look at the second example. Students are asked to write an essay. It means any type of essay. It doesn't specify the word essay. It doesn't give any information about it. So, that's how this generalize a noun. And that's why they are called indefinite articles. Because they do not make the meaning of a noun specific. Both a and an means one, right? So when we want to quantify a noun meaning one, we use a or an based on very first letter. Let me show few examples of it. I have bought a car. Here, a car means one car, but not defined. It means I have bought one car and I am not referring to a particular car. I is generalizing the noun car and it is also referring to the number, which is 1. Here, I am not specifying the car. You don't know which car I'm talking about. So, it's doing both things. It's quantifying the noun and at the same time, it's even generalizing the noun. Let's look into the next example. It's raining outside. Do you have an umbrella? Here, I'm not asking for a specific umbrella. Rather, I am just looking for an umbrella. That's all about the indefinite articles in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions related to the lesson, please write it in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn. And do subscribe this channel. Also, press the bell icon to get regular update about the course.